the sunset. Look, Amy. Look behind you, quick.
Oh my God. Look out here.
Look, quick. Look back out. Just a little bit left.
Oh my God.
And gone.
Oh wow. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Woo! Lake Erie.
Wow.
Man.
Oh, Angie, you can look at it without glasses.
Yeah. There's I think that's Saturn. Saturn down there.
Oh, yes.
And there's Jupiter, Amy, up to the left.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, look around you now.
What the hell was that?
I don't know.
We shooting a rocket?
Wow. Oh my God.
316.
Oh, Angie, there's nothing like this.
Look, it goes all the way around. Sunset.
You know what's weird?
What?
I'm actually shaking. Look at
Yeah. Yeah. Look, you can see the red flare down there on the bottom. See it?
me. Oh my God, you can.
What is that?
Those are the
The
I forget
belly
what they call-
speeds?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh wow. This is amazing.
Whoa.
I don't even know why.
Oh my God.
I don't even know why I am shaking a little bit, but I am.
Well, yeah. I see that red flare. I'm
I
gonna
do too.
look that up.
I don't remember what they're called, but they were talking about them on the show that we were watching, and there should be like 5 of them.
So
5 or
we're
6.
oh, Amy, it's almost over. 3:18.
This is 3:18 in the afternoon. Look at this.
We got about 45 seconds left. See how it's turning light?
Yeah,
But,
not over there though.
Amy, you gotta watch when the ball of light comes out. Yeah, it's starting to get brighter. There it is! There it goes! Glasses, glasses! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, yeah.
Wow.
See how it's bright?
Angie. Oh wow.
Thank you for the show. All right, sun and moon.